I'll show you how to log out of Gmail on all devices. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. The first thing you want to do is go to your Google account by following this URL, https://myaccount.google.com/security. You can just enter the URL on your browser search bar. I'll add this URL to the description so you can just click it from there. Now once you're here, click on security and sign in. Scroll down to where you have your devices where you are signed in. Then click on manage all devices. Now click on the account you want to log out or sign out from. They're going to ask you to take some security measures. Like here, they're asking me to complete sign-in using my passkey. So I'm just going to enter my passkey. Now, once you finish the security verification, you'll be redirected to this page. Once you're here, you want to click on sign out. Once you click on sign out, you'll be prompted to confirm that you really want to sign out. Say sign out on TechnoSpark HC. This will remove access to your Google account from this device. So you go ahead and click on sign out. If you want to sign out on other devices, just repeat same process for each device. Click on the device and you'll be redirected to this page. Click on sign out and you'll be prompted to confirm that you really want to sign out. Then go ahead and click on sign out and that's it.